when you put a membrane on a wall, what that does is it provides you with a nice physical barrier between a damp substrate and your finishes. So your nice plaster, gypsum based plaster, is not going to get damp. However, do bear in mind when you put a membrane on a wall, it's a vapour check. Evaporation will slow down or stop altogether, and evaporation is one of the things that dictates how far damp is going to rise. So if you reduce evaporation, it might rise a bit higher. So if you've not got to the cause of the damp, the rising damp, either the bridging problem that caused it, the leak, or true rising damp, you've not put a damp course in, expect it to rise over the top if you don't go up the wall fully. And I've got an example of that here. I'll just show you here. I hope you can see this on the video, but let's just have a look. What we've got is we've got a wall. There's your skirting board along the bottom. Go up there, there's the door frame, and you see there's a damp patch there. Oh, you see it's damp where the membrane finishes. Tap on there and it's damp there. You can actually see the damp patch. Also it's damp down the edges, and that's where the plasterboard has butted up to material around, probably behind this architrave, the original plaster. And in fact, if we take that to the other side of this window, see the same thing's happened. Plasterboard down there, and look, the damp has actually risen up the wall. So it's important to identify the cause of the damp, put that right. Membranes are not a cure-all. They're a handy thing to have, and sometimes they're essential, but be very careful when specifying them. Make sure you do find out why it's damp, put that right. That's the secret of efficient damp proofing. Thanks very much, cheers.